We were just looking at a little bit of cloud cover over downtown. We're going to actually fast forward to your hour-by-hour forecast in a minute here, but I do want to show you that temperatures are a whole lot cooler than they were yesterday. How much cooler? A good 10 degrees cooler to be exact. We were at 84 degrees in downtown yesterday. Today, well, we are, 94. We are at 84. So that is definitely a huge difference for us. So let's go ahead and start your forecast right here with radar. You will see a lot of rain sitting to our south and to our east. So that could affect us a little later today. There's still a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. And as a result, there is still a flash flood watch in effect through 5 o'clock this evening for the Inland Empire. You'll see that right there in the Coachella Valley as well. So just to reiterate, cooler and cloudier. We've got that slight chance of showers and thunderstorms and a flash flood watch in effect through 5 o'clock. So take a look at temperatures right now. 60s and 70s by the afternoon, 80s. Cooler all around though, and afternoon highs look like this, 70s and 80s. We could see a few low 90s, but overall 70s and 80s. That's the extent of it, with maybe a slight shower coming in right there over the Santa Monica Bay potentially this morning. And then again, by this afternoon, we could start to see a little bit of moisture develop over the mountains and deserts, but overall a drier forecast by the end of the day. So that tropical moisture coming in now, eventually high pressure rebuilding, and with that, we are looking at much warmer and drier conditions by the end of the week. All right, let's check those roads with Steph.